Ready to decode the mystery behind Bitcoin, babe? Let's break it down. Cryptocurrency is revolutionizing the way we think about money. But what is it exactly? At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. And the most famous example? Bitcoin. Let's talk key features. First up, decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain. This distributes control across a network of computers, making it more democratic and secure. Next, anonymity. Transactions can be made without revealing personal information. It's like having a secret wallet only you can access. And of course, security. Cryptography ensures secure transactions and protects against fraud. Think of it as your personal digital lock and key. Why does all this matter? For starters, investment opportunities. Many people view cryptocurrencies as a new asset class with high potential returns. It's like the stock market, but with a modern twist. Then there's financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies offer access to financial services for those without traditional banking. Imagine sending money anywhere in the world, anytime, with just your phone. Lastly, innovation. Blockchain technology is inspiring new applications across industries. From supply chain management to voting systems, the possibilities are endless, so there you have it. A quick crash course on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Ready to explore more? Stay tuned.